It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Hey yo, what's up? What's up? What's up? It's a boy Mins, ang inyong bagong lingkod, man. Ang inyong bagong lingkod. So may subukan tayong game. Ang title nito is Late Night Assignment. Tama ba? Oh, dyan naman, nakalagay naman. Late Night.
Tanga talaga.
Ito isa tong horror game. Na kuha ko to o nakakuha ko tong link o yung game na to is sa isa sa mga YouTuber, content creator na Steel File Station. Mostly siya ang gumagawa ng mga ito. So yun, subukan natin. This is ang horror. Although we're takuting in a horroring, so let's trying. Okay, the rocket explodes in the atmosphere, catches fire, crashes to the ground. Start tapping by following the text. Okay. The rocket explodes in the atmosphere, catches fire, crashes to the ground. Okay, what was that? Malakas sa sound, ha? Oy! Okay. Pwede dito lang tayo, men. Naka-iPhone tayo, bro. Hinaan ko lang yung volume.
Ito kasi, takot ka eh.
So, close the door. Hello, anyone there? Okay, wala. Check the sound. Saan ba yun? Wala naman. What's cooking? Oh, may rice cooker tayo. May kupi kuku. Baka naman kupi kuku. Ang gulo. What the freak? What the putong ina mo, nightmare ka. Ay. Nightmare lang guys. Sorry. Nightmare. What the freak is that? Oh my. The rocket explodes. Nightmare yun na. Huwag niyong ituloy. In the atmosphere, it catches fire. Space crashes to the ground. Okay, no. The planet. I have to make a crop. Lakas. Para kang nag-oreget. Ba't kasi walang ilaw dyan? Okay, magbabahay-bahay ka, wala kang ilaw. Ayun. Well, I hope the coffee tastes good this time. Adun. Huh? Water. But but okay yung music Okay. Tubig na tubig, men. Pero Okay. Ba't itong ginagamit? Hindi takore. Wala pa tayong ginoon, men. Okay. Glass of brand new Kupi Kuku. Kupi Kuku, baka naman. What's next? Okay, who's texting? I think.
Parang nagsishake, rattle and roll ka dyan ah.
Mhm. Lakas ang kabog ng heart ko, bro. I think I have to consult a psychiatrist again this week. The water's boiling. Alright, time to get back to the test. Okay, back to the laptop. Nice gaming chair, man. It's my gaming chair. Okay, the planet. Okay. The planet has oxygen and is surrounded by tall hills. Period. Yeah, baby. The rocket is gone, so the protagonist must survive and ano ba yan? Wala kang explore the island. Wala na yung typing skills ko, bro. Kaya natin sarado yung pintuan, bro. No. Kailangan natin sarado yung pintuan. Never mind, wag. Stay put. Okay. Stay put. Mabubuhay tayo. Okay? Survival. Space to drink. Player must distill river water or obtain it from plants. Okay. Oh. Kupi Kuku. Brought to you by Kupi Kuku. Okay. To eat, player must farm or find edible plants. Period. Period. Every basta every word naman sentence ba yun? Or do every pages sisinggup ka? Ako hindi eh. Hindi ako minum kape gabi. Matulog ako. Objective, player must uncover the story and learn the truth about the planety. Okay. Yuri pong ko na magbaging tubig. Ba't di mo kasi sarado yung pintuan, bro? Oh my goodness. No. No. Hindi ako lilingon. Bahala ka dyan. Nope. Bahala ka. I don't. You can't get me this time, no. No. Lalakad ako. Isnabin kita. Power up. Okay. Lalakad ako. Festival ko! Ayaw ko nga tumingin sa'yo. Ay, gago ka. Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. You dead. Paano ako mabubuhay mo? Paano ako masasurvive dun? Paano tayo makakasurvive dun, bro? Okay, okay, try. Let's try again, let's try again. Okay, ready ako, Krista, ready. Are you kidding me? Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. I want to hide in the fridge, but it's not be my last mistake. No, no, no. Okay, okay, tumitinig ang balay mo kami na. Okay, tumitinig ang balay mo ko na. Run, ba't ba ayaw mong tumakbo? Okay. Okay. Hindi ka kasi kumuha ng cellphone mo. Wala kang flashlight. No. Ready na ba kayo? Ako hindi eh. Hindi ako ready. Press space to get out. Should I? Do I? Okay. Diyan ka pala. Ba't ka nagkasya sa space? Sa ref. Wala ka namang... Wala ka bang... Bro... You're trapped in a fridge until someone opens it. Who? What the frick? Is that it? Okay. Yun na yun. Yun na yun. Okay, yun na yun. Yun na ba yun? Yun na ba yun? Yun na ba yun? Try natin ulit. Okay, yun na yun guys. Bumalik tayo sa simula. Okay, yun na yun. So, the last, anong, okay. Ano yung kwan? Late Night Assignment. Yun po yung title ng laro. Late Night Assignment. Assignment. Kung gusto niyo pong masubukan yung larong to, pwede kayong pumunta sa channel ni Pile. Pile Station. Doon ko to kinuha. Na-try ko lang din i-post yung site. Okay? That is all. Peace.